Arjun, this gray knitted fabric looks so rough. What actually happens to it before dyeing?
Good question. Let me walk you through its journey. First stop, fabric inspection. We check for holes, oil stains, knitting defects.
So this is quality control.
Exactly. No fixing mistakes later. Next, the fabric goes for batching. We stitch ends together so it moves continuously. Scouring removes oils, wax, and dirt from knitting. Think of it as a deep wash.
Like washing raw clothes before wearing?
Exactly. Bleaching gives uniform whiteness using peroxide and controlled heat.
This is where fabric really changes.
Yes, and control is everything. After bleaching, we neutralize and wash the fabric. This removes leftover chemicals so fabric stays strong. Next, hydroextraction.
Like a giant washing machine spin?
Perfect comparison. Ending ready for the next life. Then we dry it using a relax dryer. This controls shrinkage and relaxes the knit loops. Finally, compacting. Now the fabric is clean, soft, dimensionally stable, ready for dyeing or finishing.
Hard to believe this started as rough gray fabric.
That's the power of processing. Every step prepares the fabric for its final identity.